What's going on, Team KD? So it's your girl Kai. I'm back with another hair video. So today I'm going to show you how I got this hair color, but let me pause this, right? So we're just going to ignore the fact that my lips are moving in this little clip because I lost the original footage that I had after I did this hair. And this is the only clip I have of me with this hair color. So yeah, we're just gonna ignore the fact that my lips are moving. But anyways, let's get into the products that I'm using. I'm gonna be using the Clairol BW2 powder, the Salon Care 40 Volume Developing Cream, the Ultimate Color Repair Shampoo, the generic brand from Sally's. And I'm also gonna be using the Revlon Color Silk Beautiful Color dye. So I'm using the number 31, a 48, and I believe 249s. So they're all supposed to be like an Auburn-ish, reddish type of, yeah, I don't know. I just came up with this color. So the hair that I'm using today is by Yiroo hair, and this hair is bomb. Like, the hair is so silky, like I really love it. But I'm going to be using the Peruvian body wave in inches 22, 24, 26, and I have a 20-inch frontal. The link to this hair will be in the description bar below because I highly recommend this hair. Like, it's really bomb. Like, I really fell in love with this hair. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. So we're going to start this off by mixing the BW2 powder with the 40 volume developer. And I basically just start bleaching the hair. Like, I don't have certain measurements or how many scoops or how much developer I put. I just mix it up and whatever happens, happens. So I bleach the hair sloppily and fast because, like, I just have no patience. And sometimes you do have patience, but I have none at all. So you're gonna see I messed up, but I fixed it. So yeah, whatever. I just started bleaching the hair. I even bleached the frontal with the hair on it, if you get what I'm saying. And I kind of messed up because I made the knots and the roots of the hair like super blonde, and the rest of the hair was like still dark brown. So I had to go back and double bleach the hair, well, at least the frontal. And this time I just bleached the hair and not the frontal part. And it basically came out the color I was going for. I was going for like an orange color because I want the red to show, but to be like an orange undertone, if you get what I'm saying. So I used a new method. I forgot where I seen this method, but a lot of people have been using it, where you take your Got2b gel and your freeze spray and put it on the lace so the color that you're dyeing the hair doesn't dye the lace. And it basically worked. It was good, but I seen another way where people only use the freeze spray, which I'm going to try next time because it took freaking ever for it to dry with the glue and the freeze spray. But it did work. My lace did not get tinted. It wasn't tinted red. So I did that. I got the hair to the color I wanted. Then I mixed all the Revlon Color Silk dyes together, and then I put it over the hair. But as you can see, my hands were like really messy, so I needed Derek to come help me. So he came and helped me and squeezed some of the dye onto the hair while I massaged it in. And I left it for about like an hour and a half, and that's how I got this color. Like, super simple, guys. So let me know what you think of this hair color. I love it. It was bomb.